Okay. Now, weather. What is the weather? Here, what is our lesson name? Climate and temperature zones of the world. Okay, now. In this lesson, what is weather? The condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place. At a particular time and place. Okay, particular time, okay, place lo. What is the condition of the atmosphere? What is the weather? The condition of the atmosphere at a particular time and place is called as weather. What is weather? Here, the condition of the atmosphere. What is the condition of the atmosphere in the particular time and the particular place is called as weather. Okay, now what is the weather? What is tomorrow weather condition? Weather forecast says only in that particular time and place only. In the particular time and place only. Now, already this topic was already completed. Now, what is climate? Climate is the condition of the atmosphere. The condition of the atmosphere at a huge place, and time is at a huge place, and for a long years, so many years నుంచి a particular huge area లో ఉన్నటువంటి atmosphere ఏమంటాం ఇక్కడ? Then that atmosphere is called as climate. Then that atmosphere is called as climate. What is atmosphere? Here, climate is a pattern. Climate is a pattern whether the condition over a large area for many years. Climate is a pattern of weather condition over a large area for many years. For many years. From so many years onwards, taking a huge place means in that huge place, the condition of the atmosphere is called as a climate. The condition of the atmosphere is called as the climate. Here, the factors affecting the climate is the factors affecting the climate. What are the factors affecting to the climate? One is latitudinal location. Latitudinal location means in the equator region, the sun rays falls directly. For that reason, in that equator region, very hot. In the equator region, very hot. Now, we can towards the poles means that sun rays falls slantly. Means the temperature will be decreasing from the equator to the poles. Equator to the poles. Next one is altitude. Altitude and other factor is altitude. Here altitude is inversely proportional to the temperature. Here altitude is nothing but height. If height is increases, the temperature will be decreases. If height is altitude is decreasing, the temperature is also increasing. It is inversely proportional. For that reason only, Mumbai is very hotter than the Shimla. Shimla is nearly 2.2 kilometers height from the sea level. But Mumbai is just 14 meters above the sea level. 14 meters above the sea level. For that reason, Mumbai is hotter than the Shimla. Next one is the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Here in coastal, once observe coastal areas. Here from near the coastal areas contains very larger water bodies. In these areas have neither hot nor cold. It has a moderate climate. The coastal area regions having a moderate climate. Here, what is sea breeze means? The cool air that blows from the sea towards the land. Sea towards the land is called as sea breeze. What is sea breeze? The cool air that blows from the sea towards the land is called as sea breeze. Okay na? Sea నుంచి వచ్చే air, atmosphere, the cool air అనేది ల్యాండ్ మీద blows, then it is called as a sea breeze. What is land breeze means? The cool air that blows from land towards the sea is called as land breeze. Already this topic is yesterday class only completed. Again I am revised. And the next topic is humidity and other one is wind. Now today's fresh topic is temperature or heat zones of the world. Today our topic is temperature and heat zones of the world. Temperature and heat zones of the world. Temperature and heat zones of the world. Now, temperature or heat zones depend on the amount of sunlight received by the region. Okay na? It temperate zones దేని మీద డిపెండింగ్ దేని మీద అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? The sunlight received by region. The sunlight received by region. In that only depending on the temperature zones. Now what is the shape of the earth? The shape of the earth is sphere. Okay na? Different parts of the earth receive varying amount of sunlight. See here. This is the earth. Here the altitude, the middle altitude is called as equator. This equator divides the earth into two halves. Okay, divides into two equal halves. Okay, two halves. Now this is the equator. Upper part of the earth from the equator means it is called as a northern hemisphere. The equator divides into two hemispheres. One is the northern hemisphere and other one is the southern hemisphere. Now from the equator to north pole is called as northern hemisphere. From the equator to the south pole is called as the southern hemisphere. Now it is the first one is the equator. This is a 23.5 degrees north and 66.5 degrees north and 90 degrees north. Same as 23.5 degrees south, 66.5 degrees south. This is 90 degrees south pole. Now this is called as north torrid zone. This is south torrid zone. And north temperature zone, Arctic circle. And it is also Tropic of Cancer. And north frigid zone. And Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Antarctic circle. Antarctic circle. See here. Next, here in the equator region, is the sunrise falls on direct.